Hello dear student, in the data handling lesson, first we will see the introduction of probability and then we will focus on exercise 3.4. So here we will see what exactly probability first. How likely something is to happen. It means the probability is nothing but the possibility. Something may be happen, may not be happen. We just predict, we are not sure about that. If we take the example of coin, tossing a coin. So when we toss the coin, there are two possibilities, means two outcomes. Either it will be head or tail. So we say that the probability of getting head is 1 upon 2 and the probability of getting the coin tail is 1 upon 2. For example, here as you know, either it will be head or tail. Two possibilities are there. Okay. So out of that 2, if you want only head, the possibility is 1 upon 2, or if you want tail only, that is also the possibility 1 upon 2. So in this way you can calculate that. So in the probability part we will see throwing dice. So dice having the 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you play in the Ludo, there are total 6 numbers. So probability of any one of them is 1 upon 6. How it is 1 upon 6? Because the total possibility is what? 6. Because total 6 numbers are there. But out of that only one number is possible. Suppose you are thinking about 2. So its probability is 1 upon 6. If you are thinking about 3, its probability is 1 upon 6. In the probability there is a formula, that is a probability of an event happening equal to number of way it can happen and total number of outcomes. That is the formula. Now we are in exercise. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So first part is you are older today than yesterday. So definitely it is certain. Second is toss coin will land heads up. So it is only possibility. So it can happen but not certain. A dice when toss shall land up with the 8 on the top. 8 is not number which is present on dice, so it is impossible. The next traffic light seen will be green, so it is possibility only. It can happen but not certain. Tomorrow will be cloudy day, again possibility. It can happen but not certain. Question 2. There are 6 marble in the box, means total 6 numbers are present. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2 and number 5? Very simple. First you remember formula, number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcome, or you can say total number of possible outcome. So the total marble from 1 to 6 is 6. So the probability of drawing marble with number 2. So friend, when you solve such kind of example in advance only you should know the answer. So total possibility is what? 6. But out of that you are thinking only 2. So it should be 1 upon 6. So drawing one marble, here P means probability. So we are thinking about the probability of drawing marble with number 2, means drawing one marble indirectly, so it is 1 upon 6. And if you are thinking about drawing marble 5, same procedure is there, it is 1 upon 6. Now third one, a coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. What is the probability of that? Your team will start. So this example is related with the head and tail. So definitely the total possibilities are 2. Okay. And either head will be there or tail will be there. So your team will start playing. So it is 1 upon 2. So how you will start that? First formula, the total head and tail means probability of getting head and tail is equal. So P of starting game is 1 upon 2. So in this way friend you can solve the exercise, and I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.